Today I am emptying and cleaning and reorganising a family fridge. Look at those tasty treats in there. It's emptied, all the food is laid out and organised. There's a little bit of mouldy yogurt. A lot of wiping goes on all those crumbs and the fridge surfaces. Restocked, organised. Look at that, we've got butter on one side, cheese on the other, and the fridge is now sparkling.